We are looking at how to say Merry Christmas in Hawaiian. How do you greet people a Merry Christmas in Hawaii? How do you go about pronouncing this phrase? We're going to be looking later on at how to pronounce more Hawaiian words as well, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you go about saying this phrase? Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka. Pretty straightforward. Mele, do not say mili, but rather Mele Kalikimaka. Mele Kalikimaka. That sounds just fantastic. Mele Kalikimaka. Here are more videos on how to say Merry Christmas in different languages and how to pronounce more words from Hawaii whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, including the name of a volcano that is currently, right now, as I'm speaking, erupting in Hawaii. I'll see you there to learn more.